Hey beautiful people, so welcome back to a new vlog. So yep, back from vacation. I'm in my car, wop wop wop. But y'all, the vacation was so nice. Three of us had a great time. We had a great time in Cartagena, and it's definitely on my list to go back because this trip was so short, like very short. So I definitely gonna have to go back to Cartagena and see more of the country. Yeah, and like I said, I told y'all my cash stretched pretty good. The prices are affordable, and my US dollar stretch. um Anyways, so since we're back home, we got errands to do. My house is empty. Basically, there's nothing in there. I actually cooked yesterday, but besides that, I need toiletries, I need food, I need meat kind, I need some rice, stuff like that. So we're gonna head to the supermarket right now. And the second thing on the agenda is to get a SD card. So I have a adapter that can plug in my iPhone plus have a SD thingy. I don't know how to explain, but just say it's an adapter so I can try to transfer what's on my phone to the SD card, and then from the SD card to my PC. So I'm gonna try that. I had so much issues with space while traveling. I'm just gonna apologize from now if my videos starting from Panama vlog, it's not like 100% good, like editing and stuff, or the music is loud in some part of it. I tried, y'all. I tried to just edit while I'm on the trip and just get it out and upload to YouTube, so I could have deleted it in my phone to have space in my phone. Like each time I go on a trip, y'all, this is what I go through. So I told myself, yeah, I'm gonna try to get the SD card today. Then we're gonna test it when I come home and transfer a video and see how it looks and quality and blah blah blah. So we're gonna test that because we video and edit on our phone currently. And yeah. And the phone that I'm using is an iPhone, and I have a Windows PC, so I don't have a Mac PC where it's just easy transfer, right? So I have the adapter, which I'm gonna test today. So yeah, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the vlogs. Like, just comment down below. Y'all need to comment on my videos more, because we want to see how far this channel can go. And yeah, so we are gonna head out, y'all. Let's see my face look. I don't look burned, but I look like I cannot, I don't know. But y'all, my face was bleaching out with that toner. So I'm no longer going to be using it. So I'm going to go on Amazon and get some new products, try a new skincare routine. And yeah, we're going to see how that goes. Super excited for my trip, and we planning for 2025, baby. That starts Colombia was the last trip for this year. So we went to 2 trips. We went to DR and Colombia this year. So next year we do have it's already been planned, okay baby. I just need to purchase my flight, and that's gonna be done soon. Like, I'm a planner. I plan in advance. Like, I know where I'm going for 2025 from probably 2023. Okay, like, I'm a planner. I plan to the T. Like, I just I just ensure that I have everything. And 2 times now I've been traveling on my own, or 3 here. So yeah, all of those trips, it's been solo up until this Colombia. So I'm just a planner. I just ensure that everything is good to go, everything, the T's are dot, everything, port of entry, like whatever is needed, I have that. Like, that's just how I am. I'm a planner. I plan in advance, so I know where I'm going next year already, and that shit is planned already, like to the T. Like I said, only stuff needs to be booked, which we're gonna probably do by January with the next 3 months. So yeah, but back to the SD card. I just wanted to try to export stuff so I can have, I can have space to do more videos. I want to upload at least 3 times per week. I've done the 2 times per week upload for I think about 2 weeks straight or 3 weeks straight, and I want to try to boost it up and say 3 times. I definitely have to think about the content that I want to do, really, but I think 3 times sufficient. That would be able to, we'll get to know each other more, we'll grow the community, and we just see how it goes. So space is required for that. So we're gonna sort that out today. And yes, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna eat for morning. I'm gonna say it. Yep, I'm gonna say it. And it is 1:15. 13:15 is 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat for morning. Not even a water, not even a tea, not even a coffee. Anyways, let's go to the supermarket. So guys, I have completed all my errands that I needed to do, those 2 things, and those 2 things took like 2 hours and some change. Crazy. But we're on our way home right now, and yeah, it's moving on to 3:30 and I'm starving, so I'm thinking to do some eggs, but I do have like dinner soon, so oh well, we'll figure it out though. Hey beautiful people, happy Sunday. So Sunday equal apartment hunting, house, either house, apartment, whatever it is. We're out today. We are running pretty late this week. It's going on to 4 o'clock. Yeah, this is not the best time to be browsing around to looking for, you know, if you want to move, but I've called the places and they're still there after this time, so we're gonna head there right now. It is actually raining outside. That's one of the reasons why I just kind of delayed and was just feeling blah all morning, because it's raining and I was just feeling lazy. Let me just say the truth, lazy. Okay, anyways, we're gonna drive out. I wrote it down on a piece of paper today, same process that I did last week. Call them. Well, I didn't ask for any WhatsApp pictures this week based on, you know, the description and where it's located. I just say let me go and look at it because it's nice up area there, but seems fine that I would move to. So I have one that's actually close to me. It says 5 minutes away, so I'm gonna look at that, even though it don't really sound like my type of thing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 places on the list today. So we're gonna head to the first place right now, which is 5 minutes away from me. Yeah, we're gonna see how that does. I'm not sure if I'm gonna video that first one, but we'll see what happens. But like I said, it's raining and I just want to be hurry up out of here, so I have like an hour to view all these places, and they're not far apart, which is a good thing. So let me hurry up. Still have our newspaper, we'll have our pen, book, the paper that we wrote our stuff on, and then yeah, my friend is gonna come with me as well. Is gonna pick him up and we're gonna hurry up and just go. But I'm gonna go to the first place first because it's 5 minutes away. Then after that, pick him up and we go to the other places. Fast, chop, chop, chop. That is the vibe. Yeah, and we're looking kind of crazy today, so hopefully the people know. Say I have on the hot glasses, all of them somewhere there, but it's whatever. I know I'm looking over the place, but I just checking to see if I have everything and all of that. So we gonna head out. Now. So that was place number 1. Listen, this journey is going to be so funny and hilarious and wide opening, because that's basically a studio. She's renovating, right? So it may look crazy now, but for who? For 80? For 80K? For the area it is though, like I love the area. It's waterworks, so that's in Constant Spring area. Good area, but what the hell is that? Yeah, that's not for me. Anyways, on to the next. So that's it for the day. Literally only been inside to one place. So remember I told you I had 4 places in mind. So the first one that I went to which was close to me. I turned back based on the distance from where I was to the place. It was 5 minutes away, and then by going and going, I was like, yeah, I ain't doing this, because where I live right now, I think it's too far. So if I think where I am is a little bit distance, you know, and then I'm gonna drive another 5 minutes away, and then when I reached the road, I think I was like 2 minutes away, I was like, yeah, this don't, yeah, I know I'm not gonna move here, so it doesn't even make sense. I continue. So I turned back. Then the place that I showed y'all, which was that video of, that's a studio basically, and literally the bathroom was right at the kitchen. You walk into the kitchen, to the right is the bathroom. You come out of the bathroom, the kitchen is there. Like, yeah, we don't and I said, oh, this is a studio. She was like, it's a flat. I think I told you on the phone it's a flat. So I probably need to Google what a flat is, because I thought a flat doesn't mean a studio, innit? I probably need to Google. Y'all tell me what is a flat. Because an apartment, a flat, it could be a 1-bedroom, innit? A flat doesn't mean a studio. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to research it after this. And then the third place we arrived, and I called her. She said she left. She has been there all day and blah, 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 blah. Ma'am, you know I was coming, but probably should have went to her first. So either way, based on the location where it is an apartment. Past it every day. Anytime I'm going to that side Barbican, I know where it is. I pass it frequently, so I know that. I didn't know the exact address, but when I pulled up, I was like, okay, I know this apartment, but your car is parked on the outside. It's not like a gated apartment complex. It's literally on the main road, and after you're on the main road, you turn off, and then bam, you're in the apartment area. And yeah, it's literally on the main road, and it doesn't have a gate, and your car would be basically parked outside off the main road, and that is not my vibe. That's not what I'm looking for. My car needs to be secured. So that's a no. She did say like she can meet me tomorrow there, but I told her I'll call her back. But yeah, I'm not gonna even call her back, because like I said, my car would be outside. Not in that vibe at all. And then the fourth place now was in Mona. I called that number and no answer, so I decided not to go. So another part 2 of apartment hunting, and we only saw one place physically. But that's how it go. Like, it's either you find your perfect place one time, or you're gonna have to go through this multiple times to find a place. But that's it for today. I'm just gonna head home, and yeah, we'll pick up this up back next week Sunday. So I'll see you guys next week Sunday, or maybe in the week. I do need to do my hair. I'm actually wearing a wig right now. I need to do my hair, so I should be doing that in the week. And yeah, y'all see, I'm sure y'all seen these bumps that came up on my face. We're going through it this month after our trip. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Hey beautiful people, happy Sunday. So Sunday equals apartment hunting, so we are on the hunt again today for apartment / house, whatever it is that we like, what works with us. So we're gonna head out right now in the car, so we're gonna drive out now. I do have 2 scheduled appointments for today. Last week, it's actually a week now, because the last time I think I showed y'all the one that I looked at, and I don't know what the hell is that, but we're not gonna bring that up. So we have 2 scheduled appointments, one at 12, one at 1. We're gonna head down the road by the Gleaner, pull over, see what else that we can call for today. I think yesterday, Saturday, I did see one on a realtor website, and I did reach out to the realtor, and they sent me videos and whatever, but that definitely did not work for me. Loved the price. Where I currently live is around 7 minutes Oh my god, hold on. I'm good. Yeah, so where I currently live, it's around 7 minutes from me, so I think it's a little bit further where I'm at, but I love the price, and the kitchen was good. But y'all, the living room was like this. Like, if once I put my couch in that, yeah, I don't think you can even pass to go in the kitchen, basically. So that didn't work for me. But both scheduled appointments that I have for today, I really like them. They are great based on the pictures. So I'm hoping when I go look at the first one at 12, I think I like it. It's definitely small, very smaller than what I have now and where I am, but I don't know, for some reason I think the area is fine and all of that, so we're gonna see. The second one too, oh my god, this phone is dropping. The second one is pretty good too, so we'll see what's going on for today. You know, I'll show you guys what's what, and let's head out of here. It is 11:20 and the thing is at 12, so yeah, let's go. Listen, the place mosquito crawl. No, I'm not, y'all, I'm not lying, my skin is crawling. Like, it's, yeah, it smells awful. Like, I can't believe people live like that. And I asked the man if it's on the renovation. He said, well, if you like this, he can change this, he can change that. I'm like, y'all, just view the video. I'm just gonna show y'all the state of the place. Y'all don't even want to see the state on the outside. Driving into that complex, it's the worst thing I have. It's worse than a ghetto. It's worse than a tenement yard downtown ghetto. It's worse than that. Oh my god. So we at house number or apartment number, I don't know what number, because I'm still scarred from that last apartment. And this is 4, okay, so Murphy said 4. Let's give you the tour, but we already know off the bat, this is a no. Alright, so kitchen area, I guess it's this kitchen, open space. This, I don't know what this is. And this, I'm assuming, is a bedroom. Yeah. And the bathroom, space is here. That, yeah, the tub is a little bit too old for me, so that's an immediate no. Yeah. All right, people, so that is a wrap for today. I am super tired, extremely tired. So y'all saw I did what I showed you a few of the places. So bringing it back to this morning, so the 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock appointment that I had, the 12 o'clock appointment one, I did see pictures of it and I thought, like, you know, this was it. But when I got there, I don't know, there's just something about it. It was fine though, don't get me wrong, the 12 o'clock was good. I did not get to video it, y'all, because when I went there, walked through the place, and then when I was signing up the thing for the process, 2 people popped up, and then after a minute after another person popped up, and a minute after another person popped up. So he like and the apartment is so like tiny to even have so much people in it. So I was like, yeah, I asked him if he can just email me the form and I'll just, you know, fill it out and then email it back to him. So that's what I did. I had to get out of there. There were just so many people. Now the second one at 1 o'clock, love that. That is my speed. Same thing, got there so much, like around, there was 2 couples and then a single individual and then us at the same time looking. So I don't know, I did, you know, did what I had to do for both. So I also have 4 or 5 apartments that we saw today. I don't even remember, y'all. The second one I do like. So we're gonna see. Did I video the other? I did not get to video the other one as well, the one that I really liked. I can't recall, But yeah, it is just a struggle. Uh-oh, my phone fell. I gotta hurry up. But it's just a struggle for the apartment hunting. But I appreciate you guys for watching. We're on it again for this week and next week. So yeah, this is just how it goes. Yeah, y'all, it's Sunday. I'm gonna head home, shower, eat, wind down, watch a movie. It's a Sunday night, so we're gonna chill for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.